Welcome to the fourth case. So let's there's two examples here. We'll do 4.1 first. In 4.1 you got A, B, C, you got angle X, you got angle Y, you got two strokes there. Then you got P, Q, R, you got angle X, you got angle Y, and you got two strokes. So you have two angles and a side. You have two angles and a side. But very important now, we have to check if the side is corresponding. What is the meaning of that? If you look, I will explain to you. If you look at this side, it is opposite X. This side is opposite X. Now we look in this diagram. There's the equal side. Is it opposite X? Yes, it is opposite X. Therefore, these two sides are corresponding. So, in this example, in 4.1, the sides are corresponding. So, I'm going to revise this idea again. You see, this is the last case, which is angle side. But a very important requirement here is that the side must be corresponding. So what's the meaning of corresponding? If you take that side, it is opposite X. Therefore, in this triangle, the side that is equal must be opposite X, and it is opposite X. Therefore, in these two diagrams, the sides are corresponding. So, we can prove. Required to prove, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle. Now stop and see how we label it. When we saying ABC, we are going from blank angle to X to Y. From the blank angle to X to Y. So therefore, in this diagram, we must go in the same order. From the blank to the X to the Y. From the blank to the X to the Y. So it will be Q, P, R. So this is Q, P, R. 1, 2, 3. Angle, I will start with the top diagram first. Angle B is equal to angle P. Reason, it's given. Number 2, angle C is equal to angle R. Reason, it's given. And finally, AC is equal to QR. Reason, it's given. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle QPR, and the case is angle side. Now we're going to do the deductions. So just before I write the deductions, I hope you are thinking we're going to do the angles first. Right. Let's see. The first angle will be equal to the first angle. The second angle will be equal to the second angle. The third angle will be equal to the third angle. So let's see. I will write it down first. Angle A is equal to angle Q. Did we use this in the diagram, in the proof? No, we didn't use it. So it is a deduction. Now no more angles you must look for, because 1, 2, 3. The three angles are done with. We already finished. Right. If you check, B is equal to P, but it's used here. C is equal to R, but it is used here. Therefore, it can't be in the deductions. Now we're going to do the sides. The first two sides. AB is equal to QP. Have we used it here? No. So it is a deduction. AB is equal to QP. Number 3. Second to last. BC is equal to PR. BC is equal to PR. Have we used it here? No, therefore it will be a deduction. BC is equal to PR. And the last one is first to third. First to third. AC, I'll just write it down, is equal to QR. And when we look here, we have used it. So therefore it can't be a deduction. So AC is equal to QR cannot be a deduction. It's used in the proof. And finally, area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle QPR. All right, that was number 4.1. Okay, now we're going to have a look at number 4.2. We're going to have a look at number 4.2. Now when we look at 4.2, it's a very interesting story. You have a 30 here, you have a 30 there. You have a 80 here, you have a 80 there. So you got two angles and you got two angles. Now let's look at the sides. This side is opposite the blank angle. This side is opposite the blank angle. Actually that blank angle we can find it. 30 and 80 is 110. So this side is opposite 70 degrees. Right? So, in this diagram, the side is opposite 70 degrees. In that diagram, although you got 30, 80, 80, but the side is opposite 30. It's supposed to be opposite 70. So these two triangles, although they got angle, angle inside, the sides are not corresponding, and therefore the triangles are not congruent. So here we say sides not corresponding. Therefore, triangles not congruent. All right, so with that we will come to the end of the 4 cases and how you prove them. Now in all these examples, you were always given all the sides. So I'll do one example now where we are not given everything. We are given some things and we'll have to find. So I will do one more example, number 5, and then after that we will give you an exercise to complete. We can